Okay, so today's mission is to try and get this section attached to the frame, even if only temporarily. I need to basically work out my measurements, so those bolt holes there need to line up with the end of the frame. So this frame plate, though, if you flip this over, that measurement there needs to be a certain distance to that bolt there. So the length has to be correct, and then the alignment, center to center, and then also there's a bit of a kick, so this rail goes on an angle up here, and then it's obviously cut, and then that's joined to the frame. And also you have to keep in mind this front beam has to be level to the ground as well, so you can see that that's like that, it's not sort of unlevel. So what I'm doing now, I know where this is, but I don't know the height in relation to the frame. So what I'm going to do is make a template that follows this kick here. I'm only guessing it stays the same thickness from that point on. Let's just have a quick measurement here. So it's, yeah, so it is 100 mils. That's the right measurement because it's the same as this one here. So what I'm going to do is just continue this on with a paper template, and then probably flip this over and then put it up on some sort of jig at the front, and then try and get it level, and then line it up like this way, and then start taking some measurements, and then if I can, try and tack some steel on to keep it in place, and then I can start cutting away and building the frame on. I mean, I've got plenty of steel, so that's the plan. I'll start making some paper templates and try and see if I can make a pattern. I'm not going to replace this whole thing. I've had a good look on the inside, down in here, and it's fairly good up to about here. So I'm going to try and leave these jig holes alone because I think they're going to be quite important for me. What I'm going to do is run a bar through to the other side, and then that'll give me, I'll make sure I'm square to the body. I might as well use the original location points for my use as well, so I won't cut them away. Even if it's a little thin in that area, I won't cut it away for now. I can come back later on and replace those sections, but for now, you know, I plan on just cutting something like up here, and then along here, and then replacing that bit and the frame, and then this is all good here, and then it starts to go bad around here. So this one is broken anyway, so I have to make that internal section. So, and then from that point on, I'd say most of that is gone, but I've got my level there, which is good. It's totally rusted away, but the level is there, and that's most important. And also there's some location bolt holes as well, which I need. So you can see that other side is just totally gone away. It's rusted away. So yeah, I'll continue on and bring you back.